This literature kit on the 100-penny box by Sharon Bell Mathis offers helpful outlines of activities to make this resource easy to implement in any classroom. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Find facts about the city of Atlanta, Georgia. Draw and color a picture of what the penny box may look like. Predict what life will be like for Michael with Aunt Du for the next few months. Students explain the sentence, "You worry me to death to play," in their own words. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing a story that describes Aunt Du's move to Michael's home in her own point of view. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Map out the story with a plot-themed graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.